हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल आज वीडियो रे आमे जनरल नॉलेज रा किछि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर गोटे डिस्कशन करिबा सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे इट मींस निम्नलिखित मध्यरु केउंटी अंतर्जातीय महिला दिवस अटे ऑप्शंस आर 3rd मार्च 8th मार्च 8th मे 1st मे द राइट आंसर इज 8th मार्च 8th मार्च इज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन which is the longest national highway in India? It means ଭାରତର ଦୀର୍ଘତମ ଜାତୀୟ ରାଜପଥ କେଉଁଠି? Options are NH44, NH19, NH6, NH53. The right answer is NH44. NH44 is the longest national highway in India. Next question, in which year the Reserve Bank of India was established? It means କେଉଁ ବର୍ଷ ଭାରତୀୟ ରିଜର୍ଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କରାଯାଇଥିଲା? Options are 1934, 1949, 1947, 1935. The right answer is 1935. In 1935, the Reserve Bank of India was established. Next question, who among the following wrote The White Tiger? It means ଏମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କିଏ The White Tiger ଲେଖିଥିଲେ? Options are ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ଅଧିକା, କିରଣ ଦେଶାଇ, ସଲମାନ ରୁଶିଦ, ଅରୁନ୍ଧତୀ ରୟ. The right answer is Arvind Adiga. Arvind Adiga wrote The White Tiger. Next question, in which year was the atom bomb dropped on Hiroshima in Japan? It means କେଉଁ ବର୍ଷ ଜାପାନର ହିରୋସୀମା ଉପରେ ପରମାଣୁ ବୋମା ପକାଯାଇଥିଲା? Options are 1948, 1942, 1940, 1945. The right answer is 1945. In 1945 was the atom bomb dropped on Hiroshima in Japan. Next question, DNA stands for dash. It means DNA ର full form କଣ? ବା DNA ର ପୁରା ନାମ କଣ? Options are deoxyribonucleic acid, demand natural access, detoxified nucleic acid, dangerous negative acts. The right answer is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Next question, where is the headquarters of World Trade Organization located? It means World Trade Organization ର headquarter ବା ମୁଖ୍ୟାଳୟ କେଉଁଠାରେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ? Options are New York, Paris, Madrid, Geneva. The right answer is Geneva. Geneva is the headquarters of World Trade Organization located. Next question, who among the following is the first Indian recipient of the Man Booker Prize? It means Man Booker Prize ପାଇଥିବା first Indian କିଏ? Options are ଅରୁନ୍ଧତୀ ରୟ, ସଲମାନ ରୁଶିଦ, ଝୁମ୍ପା ଲହିରୀ, ରବୀନ୍ଦ୍ରନାଥ ଟାଗୋର. The right answer is Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy is the first Indian recipient of the Man Booker Prize. Next question, in which of the following present day country is the oldest civilization of the world? Mesopotamian civilization is situated. It means ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କେଉଁ ଦେଶରେ ବିଶ୍ୱର ସର୍ବପୁରାତନ ସଭ୍ୟତା ମେସୋପଟାମିଆ ସଭ୍ୟତା ଅବସ୍ଥିତ? Options are Pakistan, Iraq, India, China. The right answer is Iraq. In Iraq, present day country is the oldest civilization of the world, Mesopotamian civilization situated. Next question, name the present capital city of Qatar is dash. It means ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କତାର ରାଜଧାନୀର ନାମ କଣ? Options are Minsk, Doha, Baku, Ouagadougou. The right answer is Doha. And Minsk is the capital of Belarus, and Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan, and Ouagadougou is the capital of Burkina Faso. And the present capital city of Qatar is Doha. Next question, which of the following is of power to transfer any civil case anywhere in India? It means ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟିର କୌଣସି ଦେୱାନୀ ମାମଲା ଭାରତର ଯେକୌଣସି ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ସ୍ଥାନାନ୍ତର କରିବାର କ୍ଷମତା ରହିଛି? Options are Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Supreme Court. The right answer is Supreme Court. Supreme Court has the power to transfer any civil case anywhere in India. Next question, which of the following South Asian countries has the least population density? It means ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ କେଉଁ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଏସୀୟ ଦେଶରେ ଜନସଂଖ୍ୟା ଘନତ୍ୱ ସର୍ବନିମ୍ନ ଅଟେ? Options are Pakistan, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, India. The right answer is Bhutan. Bhutan has the least population density. Next question, Sangeet Natak Academy, the apex body in the field of performing arts in the country, was set up in Dash. It means ଦେଶର ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନୀ କଳା କ୍ଷେତ୍ରର ସର୍ବୋଚ୍ଚ ସଂସ୍ଥା ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ନାଟକ ଏକାଡେମୀ କେବେ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠିତ ହୋଇଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ସ ଆର୍ 1957, 1953, 1950, 1955. The right answer is 1953. Sangeet Natak Academy, the apex body in the field of performing arts in the country, was set up in 1953. Next question, in stock markets, what is meant by dematerialization of securities? It means stock market ରେ security ର dematerialization ର ଅର୍ଥ କଣ? Options are buyback of stock by the same company from the public. It means ସମାନ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଜନସାଧାରଣଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ଷ୍ଟକ୍ ର ପୁନର୍ବାର କ୍ରୟ. Next, the falling of share prices below the daily cut-off mark. It means ଦୈନିକ କଟ୍-ଅଫ୍ ମାର୍କ ତଳେ ସେୟାର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ହ୍ରାସ. Next, stock prices of shares linked to GDP. It means GDP ସହିତ ସଂଯୁକ୍ତ ଅଂଶଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଷ୍ଟକ୍ ମୂଲ୍ୟ. Next, electronic holding of the shares replacing the paper certificates. The right answer is electronic holding of the shares replacing the paper certificates. In stock markets, electronic holding of the shares replacing the paper certificates is meant by dematerialization of securities. Next question. Bhitarkanika National Park is situated in which state? It means Bhitarkanika ଜାତୀୟ ଉଦ୍ୟାନ କେଉଁ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ? Options are Odisha, Bihar, West Bengal, Jharkhand. The right answer is Odisha. Bhitarkanika National Park is situated in Odisha. Next question. Who was the emperor of the Mughal Empire in India when British East India Company established its first factory in India? It means ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଇଷ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଭାରତରେ ନିଜର ପ୍ରଥମ କାରଖାନା ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କରିବା ସମୟରେ ଭାରତର ମୋଗଲ ସାମ୍ରାଜ୍ୟର ସମ୍ରାଟ କିଏ ଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଶାହାଜାହାନ, ଅକବର, ଜାହାଙ୍ଗୀର, ଔରଙ୍ଗଜେବ. The right answer is Jahangir. Jahangir was the emperor of the Mughal Empire in India when British East India Company established its first factory in India. Next question. Yangon Stock Exchange is situated in which of the following countries? It means Yangon Stock Exchange କେଉଁ ଦେଶରେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ? Options are Myanmar, Vietnam, Cambodia, China. The right answer is Myanmar. Yangon Stock Exchange is situated in Myanmar. Next question. Which authority conducts election to corporations, municipality and other local bodies in a state? It means କେଉଁ କର୍ତ୍ତୃପକ୍ଷ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ କର୍ପୋରେସନ, ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନୀୟ ସଂସ୍ଥା ନିର୍ବାଚନ ପରିଚାଳନା କରନ୍ତି? Options are the state election commissions, the municipality or the corporation itself, Ministry of Urban Development, Election Committee of India. The right answer is the state election commissions. The state election commissions conducts election to corporations, municipality and other local bodies in a state. Next question. Which British Governor General was associated with abolition of sati practice? It means ସତୀ ପ୍ରଥା ଉଚ୍ଛେଦ ସହିତ କେଉଁ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ଜେନେରାଲ ସମ୍ପୃକ୍ତ ଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଲର୍ଡ କ୍ୟାନିଂ, ଲର୍ଡ ୱିଲିୟମ ବେଣ୍ଟିକ୍, ଲର୍ଡ ଲେଟନ, ଲର୍ଡ କର୍ଜନ. The right answer is Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck was associated with abolition of sati practice. Next question. Who among the following is the current National Security Advisor as for January 2024? It means ଜାନୁଆରୀ 2024 ସୁଦ୍ଧା କିଏ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଆଡଭାଇଜର ଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ପନଗଡ଼ିଆ, ଅଜିତ ଡୋଭାଲ, ଅରବିନ୍ଦ ସୁବ୍ରମଣ୍ୟନ, ବ୍ରଜେଶ ମିଶ୍ର. The right answer is Ajit Doval. Ajit Doval is the current National Security Advisor. Next question. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by which of the following? It means ଏମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଭୂମିକମ୍ପର ତୀବ୍ରତା କେଉଁ ଯନ୍ତ୍ର ଦ୍ୱାରା ମପାଯାଏ? Options are Newton scale, Gigaton scale, Gamma scale, Richter scale. The right answer is Richter scale. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Next question. Which of the following is the name of the program which was launched by the Chief Minister of Odisha to ensure to supply of safe drinking water? It means ନିରାପଦ ପାନୀୟ ଜଳ ଯୋଗାଣ ସୁନିଶ୍ଚିତ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରାଯାଇଥିବା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମର ନାମ କଣ? Options are ଜନଶକ୍ତି, ଜଳ ମିଶନ, ଜଳ ସାଥୀ, ମିଶନ ଜଳ. The right answer is Jal Sathi. Jal Sathi program was launched by the Chief Minister of Odisha to ensure to supply of safe drinking water. Next question, which of the following elements is a non-metal? It means निम्नलिखित ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟି ଏକ ଅଧାତୁ ଅଟେ? Options are sodium, lead, lithium, chlorine. The right answer is chlorine. Chlorine is a non-metal. Next question, ozone layer protects earth against what? It means ozone layer ପୃଥିବୀକୁ କେଉଁଥିରୁ ରକ୍ଷା କରେ? Options are X-rays, infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, magnetic rays. The right answer is ultraviolet rays. Ozone layer protects Earth against ultraviolet rays. Next question, largest brackish-water lagoon of Asia is located in which year of the following states? It means ଏସିଆର ସର୍ବବୃହତ ଲୁଣିଆ ଜଳ ହ୍ରଦ କେଉଁ ରାଜ୍ୟରେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ? Options are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Karnataka. The right answer is Odisha. Largest brackish water lagoon of Asia is located in Odisha. Next question, which country is known as the land of festivals? It means କେଉଁ ଦେଶକୁ land of festival ବା ପର୍ବପର୍ବାଣୀର ଦେଶ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ? Options are Pakistan, America, India, China. The right answer is India. India is known as the land of festivals. Next question, name the tennis player who is known as the king of clay. It means କେଉଁ ଟେନିସ୍ ପ୍ଲେୟର ଦ କିଙ୍ଗ ଅଫ୍ କ୍ଲେ ନାମରେ ଜଣାଶୁଣା? Options are Novak Djokovic, Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, Serena Williams. The right answer is Rafael Nadal. The tennis player Rafael Nadal is known as the king of clay. Next question, who wrote the famous novel James Bond? It means ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ଉପନ୍ୟାସ ଜେମ୍ସ ବଣ୍ଡ କିଏ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ? Options are Ian Lancaster Fleming, Leo Tolstoy, R.K. Narayan, Arundhati Roy. The right answer is Ian Lancaster Fleming. Ian Lancaster Fleming wrote the famous novel James Bond. Next question, who won Oscar award for 36 times? It means କିଏ 36 ଥର ଓସ୍କାର ଆୱାର୍ଡ ଜିତିଛନ୍ତି? Options are Catherine Hepburn, Sean Baker, Walt Disney, none of them. The right answer is Walt Disney. Walt Disney won Oscar award for 36 times. Next question, who established the first blood bank? It means first blood bank କିଏ establish କରିଥିଲେ? Options are Dr. Charles R. Drew, Dr. Bernard Fantus, Dr. Joseph R. Turner, Dr. Sergey Yudin. The right answer is Dr. Bernard Fantus. Dr. Bernard Fantus established the first blood bank. Thank you for watching and Jai Jagannath.